Hello guys, today we are gonna talk about my question, that is, how does a leaf work like a solar panel? Well, I'm here to talk about the leaf, the plant's very own panel. Solar panel, of course. Just like solar panels capture sunlight to make electricity, leaves capture sunlight to make food. Well, today, inside the leaf we have chloroplasts, tiny green structures filled with chlorophyll which traps sunlight. Through photosynthesis, the leaf combines carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots to make glucose, which is plant food. Okay, but in my calculation, of course, sunlight plus CO2 plus H2O produce glucose plus O2. And just like that, the leaf powers the whole plant and even give us oxygen to breathe. That's all from me. Okay, let's go to my friend Razi.
So next, what inside the stem and what is matter? The stem is very important part of a plant. It connects the root and the leaf. The stem help the plant to stand upright and allow water, mineral and food to move to all part of plant. Inside the stem, there are several important parts. The epidermis is the outer layer that protects the stem. The cortex store food and given support. The vascular bundles contain two main tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem carry water and mineral from the roots to the leaf. Phloem carry food from the leaf to the rest of the plant. In the center, there is the pith which store nutrients. The stem have so many functions. It supports leaf, flower, fruit and fruit so that they can get sunlight. The stem also transport water and mineral from the root to the leaf and carry food made in the leaf to other part of the plant. This movement keeps the whole plant healthy and alive. It also allows the plant to grow tall and reach sunlight for photosynthesis. Without a stem, the plant will not be able to grow properly or survive.
Today I want to present about root structure and function. Roots are the underground part of the plant, usually that anchor the plant, absorb water and minerals, store food, and transport substance. Structure of a root. For external structure, it has root cap, region of cell division, region of elongation, region of maturation. For root cap, it protects the growing tip, called apical meristem, from soil friction. That it also contains statocytes that sense gravity. For region of cell division, it just behind the root cap. It contains the apical meristem and cells divide rapidly here. For region of elongation, cells produced in the meristem grow longer, pushes the root deeper into the soil. For region of maturation, cells differentiate into tissue and root hairs are present here. For internal structure, epidermis. Epidermis is outermost single layer. It has root hairs and responsible for absorption of water and minerals. For cortex, it several layers of parenchyma cells loosely packed, allows movement of water. And endodermis. Endodermis is innermost layer of cortex. It has a Casparian strip and regulates movement of substance into the vascular cylinder. For still, it has four: pericle, xylem, phloem, and pith. Pericle gives rise to lateral roots. Xylem transport water and minerals upward. Phloem transport food. Pith present in monocot but small or absent in dicots. Function of root have six. First, encourage. Second, absorption. Third, conduction. Fourth, storage. 5, vegetative propagation. And lastly, hormone production. Thanks for me.
Now, let's talk about flowers. They're not just pretty, they are the reproductive organ of plants. The male part is the stamen. It makes pollen. The female part is the pistil, which include the stigma, style, and ovary. When pollinators like bees visit flowers, they carry pollen from one flower to another. This leads to fertilization and the ovary develops into a fruit containing seed.
Hello guys, now this is my question 5. How do plant structure adapt to the environment? Well, let's see. Plant structure adapt to the environment to help them survive and reproduce. For example, desert plants, like cactus, have thick stems to store water and spines to reduce their water loss. Aquatic plants have broad leaves, floating leaves, and air spaces to help them stay above the water. In cold climates, plants such as pine trees have needle-shaped leaves and live successfully in very different conditions. That's all from me.